Hello everybody, I thought I'd show you around my workshop, which is focused around Amigas generally. We have an A500 Plus, an ACA 500 030 at 44 megahertz I think, a GBS VGA card giving a green tint on the screen. That's something I need to look at. I have a quad-core PC for various flashing, reprogramming, various other things. I'm playing Elite when I get around to it. A drawer of bits. Lots of stuff, generally. We have here an A4000 that's hiding, it's camera shy. A1200, recap motherboard, and an Apollo 1240, which is now a 1260, which is being tested, or will be when I run some demos on it. Various solder, desolder, heating, and vice and various other bits and bobs. TI-99 with a nano PEB sat on top, doing lots of old school stuff. Books I don't read. 1200 motherboard, that's my one. What we've got on here, we've got a ZX81 with a 32 megabyte expansion pack sat on the back hiding. We have a ZX80 with an 81 ROM, all working. ZX Spectrum Opus disk drive, all working. C64 motherboard, good to go. We have there 4 Apple II motherboards in various states of not working. Manuals, C64 CD, A570 CD, well, just the case actually. C64 with LCD, amp and speakers built into the case, so I don't have to carry a screen if I ever use it. What else have we got hiding away? We've got a 1200, a Vampire 600, all very scrap under there, and drawers full of other bits and bobs, Xbox,